Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you can pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is use post no checks to avoid check payment fraud. So, what is post no checks? Well, what that means is if a cyber criminal gets a hold of your bank routing number and your bank account number, and the account itself is a depository only account, and they try to present this check to the bank and you have a post no checks restriction on that account, they cannot submit that fraudulent check. And you know it's a fraudulent check because you do not write checks on that account. But they, meaning the cyber criminal, does not know that it is a depository only account and that you have that restriction on. So that is one more way that you can mitigate check payment fraud or check fraud. Now, you can also combine that with one or more of the types of positive pay. And if you want to know what those three types are and get a really brief explanation, go ahead and check out episode 255. All of my podcast episodes are actually also on YouTube. So check out the podcast playlist and check out that episode to learn more about the three types of positive pay. All right, so if you want more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. And if you would like over 149 annual hours of training for your vendor team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.